Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
We are completing Bhagavad Gita chapter 1 today with Hrishikesha's grace. No?
Yes, Mammu.
You are happy about it?
Yes, Mammu.
We'll take a 3-week break after this episode, and on August 26th, Wednesday, we will start chapter 2. That is one thing. And in September, we are going to make a video of full chanting chapter 1. We will do that. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Yeah. So, shall we go ahead with 46, 47 and Purti Vakyam?
Yes, Mammu.
You are ready, right?
Yes, Mammu.
Like a Rishikesha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Yadi Mama Pratikaram
Yadi Mama Pratikaram
Ashastram Shastrapanayah
Ashastram Shastrapanayah
Uttamam Dhartarashtrarane Hanyuhu
Dhartarashtrarane Rane Hanyuhu
Rane Hanyuhu
Rane Hanyuhu
Tanme Kshemataram Bhavet.
Tanme Kshemataram Bhavet.
Once again. See, do this. Yadi Mama Pratikaram
Yadi Mama Pratikaram
Ashastram Shastrapanayah
Ashastram Shastrapanayah
Dhartarashtrarane Hanyuhu
Dhartarashtrarane Hanyuhu
Tanme Kshemataram Bhavet.
Tanme Kshemataram Bhavet.
Sit straight so that you will get the Shruti also perfect. Next one. Sanjaya Uvacha
Sanjaya Uvacha
Eva Muktvarjuna Sanghe
Eva Muktvarjuna Sankhye
Eva Muktvarjuna Sanghe
Eva Muktvarjuna Sankhye
Rathopastha Upavishat
Rathopastha Upavishat
Visrujya Sasharam Chapam
Visrujya Sasharam Chapam
Shoka Samvigna Manasaha.
Shoka Samvigna Manasaha.
It is not Vigna, it is Vigna, normal ga. Shoka Samvigna Manasaha.
Shoka Samvigna Manasaha.
Once again. Eva Muktvarjuna Sanghe.
Eva Muktvarjuna Sankhye
You are not giving that Arjuna Sanghe.
Arjuna Sankhye
Rathopastha Upavishat.
Rathopastha Upavishat
Visrujya Sasharam Chapam.
Visrujya Sasharam Chapam
Shoka Samvigna Manasaha.
Shoka Samvigna Manasaha.
Now Purti Vakya. Okay, Purti Vakyam. Om Tat Sat
Om Tat Sat
Iti Shrimad
Iti Shrimad
Bhagavad Gitasu
Bhagavad Gitasu
Upanishatsu
Upanishatsu
Brahma Vidyayam
Brahma Vidyayam
Yoga Shastre
Yoga Shastre
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम
अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम
प्रथमोऽध्यायः.
प्रथमोऽध्यायः.
Once again. ॐ तत्सत्
ॐ तत्सत्
इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
उपनिषत्सु
उपनिषत्सु
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
योगशास्त्रे
योगशास्त्रे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम
अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम
प्रथमोऽध्यायः.
प्रथमोऽध्यायः.
Then we will chant श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
Okay. Beautiful. Shall we go for chanting together?
Yes, Mamu.
Very good. यदि मामप्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धार्तराष्ट्रारणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्. सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः सङ्घे रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्. विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः. ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः. श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Let us go through the meanings now. यदि मामप्रतीकारम्
अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः
धार्तराष्ट्रारणे हन्युः
तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्.
If the sons of Dhritarashtra, Shastrapanayah, with weapons in hand, kill me in battle while I am unarmed and unresisting, that would be better for me, Arjuna is saying. Arjuna is a great warrior, right?
Yes, Mamu.
But see, he is saying this to Krishna now. Through last 19 shlokas, almost from 28, 29, 30 till 46, we have seen what Arjuna confusion is, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Arjuna is fully confused now. Now, Sanjaya is saying, Sanjaya uvacha, next, last shloka of chapter 1. Eva muktva Arjuna sanghe.
रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्.
Having thus spoken in the midst of the battlefield, Rathopastha Upavishat, Arjuna sat down on the seat of the chariot. How? Visrajya Sasharam Chapam,
शोकसंविघ्नमानसः.
casting away his bow and arrow. With his mind, Shoka Samvignamanasah, with his mind overwhelmed with sorrow. See, you can see some good paintings of this situation of Arjuna. Have you seen?
No, Mamu. But
Hey. How? You have not seen? You haven't seen?
I have seen only these two pictures. Which are they, you know? I'll tell you now. Hrishikesha blowing Panchajanya and and Dhananjaya blowing Devadatta. And sitting on the chariot and going. The second picture.
Okay. I got it. Okay. So you have just seen the Bhagavad Gita, that picture, right?
Yes, Mamu.
So there are a few pictures where Arjuna is sitting like this, That is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Whatever. Good that you are observing all those things. Good. Now Purti Vakya. This is very, very, very important and comes at the end of each chapter. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Om Tat Sat iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita su Upanishatsu. Thus, with the words Om Tat Sat, the names of the Lord as sung in the Upanishad of Bhagavad Gita by the Lord, Brahma Vidyayam, in the Vidya of Brahma, in the science of Brahma, they say. Brahma Vidyayam, Yoga Shastre, in the scripture of yoga. Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade, the entire chapter, dialogue is between
Krishna and Arjuna.
Yeah. Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayah. There ends the first chapter entitled The Yoga of Dejection of Arjuna. Mamu is just going to give you two small informations, small tidbits. First one is, say Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Once again, Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
These three names of Parabrahma Tattva will take us to the highest realm of grace. You know the speciality of Om Tat Sat? This will completely wash away mistakes which we might have committed in pronouncing the shlokas, words, and all those letters. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
After each chapter, we chant Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
So, that doesn't mean that you have to make mistakes. You have to be correct, pronouncing it really perfect. And, sometimes beyond us, we make mistakes, we commit mistakes. So, this is like Kshamapana to Rishikesha. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Yeah. Rishikesha will bless you when you say this. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Now, second tidbit. We complete the chapter with Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.
The meaning of this is, everything we do, that goes to Krishna. You know what? Anything you do, you say this, Krishna Arpanamastu. When you eat, say this, Krishna Arpanamastu. I offer this to Krishna. When you play, say this, Krishna Arpanamastu. Then what happens is, when you play, He will play through you. He will come and sit inside and He will play. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
When you eat, when you play, when you study, this is a secret. When you go to school and when you study, you can say inside your heart, Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. I offer these, whatever I am studying, to Krishna. Will you do that?
Yes, Mamu.
That's a secret, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Now that you know that. So, apply this. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Om Tat Sat always comes in the end of chapter, but this Krishna Arpanamastu is a secret for you to apply. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
So, that's all. We are done with chapter 1. We will come after 3 weeks break for the audience, but we are going to prepare for chapter 2 and also for chapter 1 full chanting. Are you ready for that?
Yes, Mammu.
Every day we have to practice all the 47 shlokas, then prepare for the final video, and we will come up with video in September. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Do prayers.